Hello guys, welcome back on my channel. Today I'm going to show you another must-try AI tools in Canva called Trace to Frame. With this application we can create our own frames from any image. As you can see in this picture, I just use one of the window. We can pick some random points, at least 3 points, and we can create our own frames with it. It's pretty simple, pretty easy. I'm really amazed about this application. But before we dive into the tutorial, I have a quick favor to ask. If you like my content and find it valuable, please take a moment and hit that small like button and subscribe to my channel. It really helps to keep creating content for you. Thanks, and now let's get started. As normally doing, I'm going to the app details. As you can see, outline on point to make frames from images. This application was developed by Huint Hang Hui. Hope so I pronounce his name properly. This is another amazing application from him. So it's highly appreciated to doing it, and it's highly recommended to use. So how does it works? Just open a new page. I use using the same image. Going to the applications, searching for trace to frame. This is the application. The only thing what we need to do is first we need to add our image to the Canva. Click on it, start tracing. We can zooming in and out. Not like this. Sorry, something wrong now. So we can select all the points what we would like to use. As you can see, already a triangle is good enough, so we need at least 3 points. And click on the 4th point, but we are not satisfied with it. We can still grab a point and play with it. As you can see here. You can see that we can add also a border for the frame, but for this I don't want to use it. I just add to design, and as you can see, we have the border here. We just we have the frame here. I just have to increase, I cannot crop it unfortunately, have to increase the size. As you can see, it didn't made something, it just, I didn't select the proper points. Like here in the first one I made it a good job. For a second one I just made a very sloppy job, or maybe just due to I start to moving the points, so it's not fitting perfectly. But anyhow, you see how it works. This is the most important thing. And I just go into elements, add the same image, and like all the other frames, we can play with the image. So this is how it works. We can play with it that easy. Just have to keep in mind we have to put the points correctly, and unfortunately the frame when we're doing is it not transparent, so we cannot really see what is behind. Maybe in the later stages could be better if some improvement on the application if this frame is transparent when we are doing when we adding the points. In this case it could be more visible what we are doing, but other than the application is pretty nice, pretty cool. I really love to use it. And now this tutorial is going to the end. Hope so you like it. If you really like it, please do not forget to hit that small like button, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment in the comment section if you're struggling anything in a Canva or if you need any help. I try to answer as soon as possible. Please also visit my Facebook page where you can find lots of other Canva tutorials, not only from me, also from another Canva experts. Plus you can find a bunch of text to image prompts for image generation for different kind of applications. So if you're also interested in that area, please feel free to check my Facebook page. You can find my Facebook page link in the description. But now this tutorial is really going to the end. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Ciao.